The graph price strikes resistance at the 100-day simple moving average, SMA. Descending triangle pattern resolves downward, creating bear trap. Transactional data clusters expose a large number of underwater investors above today's high. The graph price triggered the bullish hammer candlestick pattern today, but gains have faded after getting near the 100-day SMA. A bullish cryptocurrency complex portends higher prices, but the GRT chart suggests that consolidation above the triangle's lower trend line may be the scenario in the short term. The graph price has little room to fail. Based on the Intotheblock In/out of the money around price, IOMAP data, the graph price recovery may be short-lived, as a wall of underwater investors are staring down from the $1.56 to $1.61 price range. Approximately 2,200 addresses that purchased 60.52 million GRT in that range are currently out of the money. The big obstacle, not surprisingly, rests between the 50-day SMA and the 100-day SMA. Simultaneously, there is a negligible number of investors in the money to provide support, giving the current situation a bearish bias. It is easy to be swept up in the strength of the cryptocurrency market. Still, the graph price chart is not a highlight reel for bullish investors. As well, today's absence of volume commitment taints the GRT outlook, raising the question of whether the triangle breakdown was simply a bear trap or a prelude to a more significant decline. A continuation of today's rally will find resistance at the 100-day SMA at $1.53, and then the declining 50-day SMA at $1.72. The triangle's upper trend line is currently at $2.07, and it should be heavy resistance. To confirm a low, GRT will need to close above the 61.8% retracement of the February to April decline at $2.22. The retracement level coincides with two important highs, March 9th at $2.21 and April 15th at $2.19. The oversold reading on the Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, may be enough to launch GRT towards the targets mentioned above. The confluence of the February 23rd low at $1.33 with the March 25th low at $1.31 and the 61.8% retracement of the rally from the January low at $1.25 halted the decline. If they fail to do so the second time, GRT confronts a major sell-off that could carry the altcoin to the 78.6% retracement of the rally from the January low at 80 cents.
So many of the activities we participate in happen or are organized online on digital platforms. But today, most of that software and data is owned and controlled by giant corporations, making it hard for small teams and individuals to compete, have a say, and impact the world around them. Crypto networks are creating a radically better foundation for society's software and information. All data is stored and processed on open networks with verifiable integrity, making it possible for developers to build and publish open-source code that's guaranteed to run as advertised. The graph is a protocol for organizing open data and making it easily accessible to applications. Curators help organize data through open APIs called subgraphs. A network of computer operators called indexers process subgraph data for efficient retrieval. What Google does for the web, the graph does for blockchains. By creating a solid foundation for data, the graph is paving the way for a flourishing ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps, that can help change the way people cooperate and organize on the internet.